Casement Windows Pasadena, Texas, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of casement window styles available, residents can choose from vinyl casement windows, aluminum casement windows, and wooden casement windows to match their home's design. Casement window experts in Pasadena TX offer comprehensive window replacement services, ensuring that each installation meets the highest standards of quality and durability. Energy-efficient casement windows are a top priority for many homeowners in Pasadena, Texas, looking to reduce their energy bills. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double-glazed casement windows are particularly effective in minimizing heat transfer, making them a smart investment for those seeking energy-efficient windows in Pasadena. Custom casement windows offer a personalized touch to any home in Pasadena, Texas. Homeowners can work with casement window contractors to design windows that fit their specific needs and preferences. Whether it's a unique shape, size, or color, Custom Windows Pasadena TX can enhance the overall look and feel of a property. Casement Windows Pasadena, Texas are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. From fixing casement window locks and hinges to replacing damaged casement window parts, Professional Window Repair Pasadena, Texas ensures that your windows remain in top condition. Regular casement window maintenance can prevent costly repairs and extend the lifespan of your windows. Affordable casement windows are available from various casement window suppliers in Pasadena TX, making it easy for homeowners to find budget-friendly options. These suppliers offer a wide range of window designs and materials, including vinyl windows Pasadena and aluminum windows Pasadena TX, to suit any budget and style preference. Casement Windows Pasadena, such as casement window screens and casement window locks, plays a crucial role in the functionality and security of your windows. Window hardware. Pasadena, Texas is available in various styles and finishes, allowing homeowners to customize their windows to match their home's decor. Casement window hinges and other hardware components are essential for smooth operation and long-lasting performance. Window replacement. Pasadena, Texas is a service that many homeowners seek to improve their home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows Pasadena, residents can enjoy lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment. Window upgrades Pasadena, Texas can also increase the value of a property, making it a worthwhile investment. Casement window solutions in Pasadena TX are designed to meet the diverse needs of homeowners in the area. From traditional to modern window designs Pasadena TX, there are numerous options available to suit any architectural style. Casement window companies in Pasadena, Texas offer expert guidance and installation services to ensure that each window solution is tailored to the homeowner's specific requirements. Window contractors Pasadena TX are skilled professionals who specialize in the installation and repair of casement windows. These experts have the knowledge and experience to handle any window project, from simple repairs to complete window replacements.